Hi, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I have here a little unboxing from Cult Pens, and I have here the Swiss Army Victorinox knife, this Alox Winter Edition, which is quite nice. And I thought I enjoyed this knife so much that I thought it was a good match for this package, although it doesn't match any color or anything. It's just what I thought it would be nice. So here I have a package from Cult Pens, and I often say that I don't want more inks. So this is the invoice. They always send the invoice with these little cute faces clips. So I always say that I don't want more ink, and yes, I fell into ink again. So 1 bottle, 2 bottles, and 3 bottles. So nothing more. Let's put this away and let me show you what I have here. I will start with this one, and this was just, it is the first time that I buy these Colorverse very small bottles, and I bought this one that is called Ginkgo tree. I like ginkgo leaves and trees. This is not a yellow ink. I never used a small Colorverse bottle. It is so small, it's 5 milliliters. And do I need to cut this? Yes. I need to cut the label there. Oops. So I decided to buy this little ginkgo tree set of inks. It's 3 of a kind. I even thought about buying the other one. There was also a ginkgo tree, I don't remember the name, it was yellow, but I bought this brown. I like brown inks. And here it is, the very small bottle with the interesting shape. It's so fun. It's very little, so this is very expensive. It has the little eyedropper that comes all twisted inside, so it's fun. It's very expensive for the size of it, but I bought this package, so I wanted to have a little bit more to play with. So 3 little mini bottles from Colorverse ink, the ginkgo tree, which is a brown ink, not the yellow leaves of ginkgo. And I have a sailor. I don't have it here, but I will show you. I will make a video maybe swatching these or something like that, and I will show you the ink that I get, that I also have from Sailor, the special edition of Kyoto Garden that has a yellow ginkgo tree color for the autumn leaves of it. Okay, now it fit inside. The other 2 bottles are 2 of the same kind. I will just open one, the other one is the same. So this bottle, I can open both so you can see that I'm not lying. These bottles, I saw these and I said I don't need more ink, but I shared these with my friend Luis, and I told I will not buy these. I love stuff with skulls regarding pens, and I told my friend Luis, oh, that is kind of amazing. And I said, but no, I will not buy anymore because I have too much ink, I need to reduce. And he just said to me, such a bad influence, so forget about it, buy 2 of them, one to have at home and the other to have at work. So I will take one for my desk at work, and Luis, this is your fault. I didn't want to buy them. So let me try to show you. This is the Deadly Nightshade. It is a shimmer ink made by Diamine for cult pens, and it is very nice with this kind of a vintage design. And inside, I know this is stupid to be carried away with such a stupid thing, but it has skulls inside. Yes, that is a little skull. Let me try not to make a big mess of it. Tweezers. And there you have it. Let me close this just to avoid stupid accidents and take this up. I don't like to have my fingers dirty. You can see it has a very nice purple color, violet or anything, or I don't know how to call colors, I'm too bad at it. And oops, sorry, I'm too clumsy, I know. Okay, there you have it, a little skull that goes inside the bottle. So these little skulls, it has 2 little skulls in each bottle. You can see the color, it's nice, and it has shimmer. You don't see the shimmer here because it was not agitated before. And these little skulls serve as agitators for the ink to have the shimmer coming up. So thanks to you, Luis, I have 2 of the same inks. I don't need any more. Those Colorverse were 5 milliliters, and this is a bigger bottle. We put this inside again. I love the style of these bottles. It looks like, no, it's facing up. I think this is kind of amazing. It's so fun. It's just fun and a little bit stupid, but I enjoy it. And this is a bottle of how many milliliters? I'm not sure. 30. Maybe it's 30. I cannot read anymore. No, it doesn't say here, but I think it's the 30 milliliters ink bottle. I think these ink bottles are so nice, and I'm happy to have it with skulls. So this was the unboxing video for today. No pens, just ink. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will meet you next time. Bye.